Today I'm going to be talking about how I made $60,000 in 30 days. This is going to tell you exactly how I made that type of income with digital products. My name is Monica Lee. I am an entrepreneur, content creator, and an Airbnb investor. 2021 was when I really made a decision to change my life. I said, I'm going to start my own Airbnb business. I don't know how, but I'm going to do it. And then fast forward, my business blew up. Like in 8 months, I got so successful. I went from 1 Airbnb to 5. And then that moment completely changed everything for me, opened up the door for so much stuff. And that's what eventually led me to creating the digital products, because my success with Airbnb is what I talked about in my products. As I shared my journey on my social media, a lot of people were interested, wanted to learn from me, and I've helped so many people. I'm talking about hundreds of people all over start their Airbnb business. Oh my gosh, what an era when I first started teaching it. I'm so grateful that I was able to succeed as well as others. And I still do Airbnb in 2026. If you guys ever want to start your own Airbnb business or you want to do a consultation with me, that will be in the description as well too. You know, how exactly did I get into the digital product? What did I do first? In 2021, I had a friend tell me that I should create an ebook and teach people how to do what I did with Airbnb. And at the time, I wasn't really going to do it because I had already created an ebook in 2018 that I wasn't really selling that well. I mean, I made sales with it, but I just wasn't pushing it. I didn't really know how to market it. For that reason, I never really saw the vision fully. However, I learned about somebody who made $1 million from ebooks, and I couldn't see that success. I was like, if they could do it, I could do it. Let me just try it. Let me stop being comfortable and like really push myself. So I had like a digital product. It was an ebook. And then I also had a digital product, which was a workshop, like a Airbnb workshop, virtual workshop. And I never forget, I made like my first $1,000 with that. I was like, that's the fastest and easiest money I ever made from my own information, from my own knowledge. Oh my gosh, I gotta try this again. And what I love about digital products, obviously you don't have to have any inventory. You don't have to pack anything. You don't gotta like show up nowhere. You can make the money in your sleep. You can make the money from your phone. So let me just be clear, like you need to do this. If you don't have a lot of money to invest in a business, a digital product is going to really get you good one time, I'm telling you. This journey with my digital product, I had no idea what I was going to do to push it. So shout out to my husband at the time, my boyfriend, but my husband now. And at the time he was like, babe, you should make videos teaching people what you do on your Instagram, and you should go live. Because I feel like if you go live, because you're a good yapper, you're always helping others. People used to call my phone nonstop to ask about Airbnb. We even had people come to my house. We would be doing, one-on-ones on my rooftop and stuff. Like, he was like, babe, you should be teaching other people how to do what you do, but go live. Because if you go live, then people get to ask you questions in real time. And I think it will work really well for you. Beginning, it was like two or three times a week. And then eventually I would go live every day on Instagram. I was able to grow my page. People started following me. People started commenting on my content. And people were DMing me all the time, asking me for help. So now I knew that there was an actual need for the thing that I wanted to create, which was the digital product, or ebook, and then also the virtual workshop where I was helping people to get started. So my camera and my microphone died. As you can see, I have this little cord here. Yeah, so I apologize. I can't remember the last thing that I said. I'm gonna just continue my story. I was all over the place, like with my marketing. I was all over the place because I was going live and I was making the content, but a lot of times I was unsure of what kind of content to make. Things that really helped me was that I remember I was talking to my friend, and I was like asking my friend, like, what do you think that I should do? And my friend was like, you need to just show your journey, okay? Show people your journey. Be inside your Airbnb. Show them things more than you just tell them. And that's going to make them more interested in your product. Another thing that I did was every time I went live, I mentioned my digital product multiple times, because people keep coming into my live. Just because I talked about my product in the first 10 minutes doesn't mean that the people who came in later heard me or knew what was going on. So I mentioned it multiple times. And I also tell people how to actually check out and purchase. Another thing that I started doing was on TikTok. I started posting 6 to 9 times a day. Now, wait, don't get scared. I was posting very short 7-second, 20-second videos. Every day I posted these videos, and every time in my caption, I mentioned my products. I mixed together my business and entrepreneurship journey with my lifestyle of traveling and shopping and living my life, and people seeing that and they were inspired. I shared my story of where I came from. I showed old videos, pictures of me at my job and my life, even like how I used to act. I used to party a lot. I used to be out always smoking hookah and drinking and things like that. And I showed that I was real with people, and then show people my come up of me focusing on entrepreneurship, between putting God first and entrepreneurship first, how I changed my life. And that inspired more people to want to learn from me. You have to show how your digital product changed your life. And you have to show people that on social media, because when people hear about your product is not going to move them just because it sounds like a good product. You have to show them the transformation. People don't buy information, they buy transformation. Another thing, you guys, is that you want to record your content in batches, meaning like if say Monday is your day off, you're going to pick out 5 outfits and record multiple videos with the 5 different outfits. So now you have multiple videos. You don't have to just make one video a day. You don't also have to make the video that same day and post that same day. A big part of what really helped me was these 2 things: email marketing and automation. If you don't have people's emails, it's really hard to market yourself because people forget about you on social media. Also, the automation. So I use an AI chatbot, and I've been using that chatbot since 2022. You can research them if you're interested, but like it's an auto DM. So every time I make content and I tell people comment the keyword, it's going to send them a link to my products. This is how we're building so much people to be able to reach out to them and send the link. I had a video that hit 1 million views. In this video, all I did was provide value, free game. A lot of times people like to gatekeep. They don't want to tell anything about what their product is about. They don't want to talk about the topic of what they sell. And that's why people don't trust you enough to spend money and buy anything from you, because when they come to your page, you don't really show them that you know what you're talking about. And so now they wouldn't want to spend money with you. So in the video, I made sure that I shared as much information as I felt I needed to so that people could learn from me. Now, somebody could have watched that whole video and actually learned everything that they needed to know on how to start their Airbnb business, and they didn't need to buy my course. But then there's some people that wanted to know more, and those are the people who are gonna want to go and buy. Also, I made sure that in the video, I got straight to the point. I explained things, but I didn't go too crazy. Like, sometimes when you explain yourself, you feel like you have to address every single thing. No, I just got straight to the point. What happens is people will ask questions in the comments. The more questions that people ask, the more views the video is going to end up getting, because TikTok, Instagram, any social media platform sees engagement in your video as a sign that you have a good video. Because you got to remember, it's an algorithm, it's robots, it's AI running these content platforms, right? So people are asking me so much questions, and it just made the video take off. I used that video to get a lot of people to follow me. A lot of people joined my email list. A lot of people started coming to my TikTok and my Instagram lives, and the rest was history. That's why I tell people, post your content, put yourself out there. Every piece of content lets people know, like, and trust you. And this is what helps you to make sales. So if you're saying, I'm too scared to post, I'm not sure what to post, you're overthinking, and you tricking yourself out your spot, babe. You'll be doing so much more right now if you just show up and put yourself out there and just talk about it. Honestly, you need to brag, okay? You need to brag, because your product, you created it with your knowledge and your heart, and God put that wisdom in you, or that experience in you. Even if you're selling a vendor's list, let me give you some examples, right? If you're selling a vendor's list where you got hair vendors, clothing vendors, you can give people value. You can tell people why they need your product. Like, your product saves them time, saves them from getting scammed by bad vendors, puts them on how to communicate with vendors effectively. Maybe you're selling a weight loss guide, how to lose your back fat in 30 days without going to the gym. And you tell people the exercises you do every day. Like, you show them before and afters with pictures of you or maybe your clients. This is why I teach the way I teach. Most people teach get rich quick schemes and tell you just throw a link up in your bio and people are going to buy, or just download some videos and then put some text on the video and boom. People nowadays don't just want to see your content that doesn't make them understand what your product is about, how it can help them. Again, remember, people don't buy information, they buy transformation. So that is really, really key. All of that happening in 30 days is crazy. Like me making that kind of money, because I didn't even make that in 365 days when I was working a job, you know, and people know me for making money online. People know me for entrepreneurship, and they want to come to me to learn. And so that's why I make sure that when I make content and when I make my products, I don't gatekeep. I give away as much as I know, so that way people really trust my products. And you guys, this is another thing. You don't want to just market or sell things that are not helping people, because that is going to help you to get more sales. Think about it. If you sell it to someone and they love it, they're going to talk great things about it. They're going to get results from it. And that's going to also be something that you could use in your marketing. And if you're posting a lot, if you're posting every single day, maybe 2 times a day, you're going to see growth. There's no way you won't. The key is that you got to be consistent. You got to stay focused. And please, 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 please do not give up. If I would have given up, I would have never had my first $1,000 in 30 days. My $20,000 in 30 days. $30,000 in 30 days. Not $60,000 in 30 days. And eventually in 2026, we're going for 100,000. First, I want to hit it in 30, and then we're going to try to hit it in, I'm not even going to say it because I can't speak on it. I just want to do it. My game plan is to, I'm pretty much trying to increase my income here. I have some big girl goals, and investing is number one for me right now. And so I'm going to be making some videos and bringing y'all along. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for what's on the way. But thank you all for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, because that helps me to create another video to help you guys out. And don't forget, sign up for that free live masterclass, the Paid Creator Masterclass, okay? In the description box, all right? I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, bosses.